1071 Quilliams. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home in Cleveland Heights. We're taking this as is. It has a nice big double-car garage though in the back. Go back here so you can see this. Nice, it's in great shape. You have a nice wooden deck in the back, newer windows. Let's go inside. This house has been updated. So you have a nice kitchen area here. Refrigerator stays, all appliances stay. And this one is on steam heat, which is nice. They put newer flooring down. It has been painted. This was a leased property. Here's your entryway, and again, you have the vinyl windows in this, and some of it, not all of it, but in some of it. And let's go upstairs here. So you have a kind of a enclosed porch here. You want to enjoy the nights. Have coffee. It's heated. It seems warm in there. I don't think it's heated, but I'm sure if you put a vent on the bottom here, it would work. And then you have your bathroom here, your full bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill. So got the kind of the master bedroom with the 2 closets, as you can see. Those are all there. And you get 2 more bedrooms up here. This one. Again, you got the vinyl windows in this over there, so a lot of new windows in this one. Only a few that I've seen that aren't new. There's new. That's a frosted new. But yeah, so all the upstairs bedrooms are vinyl and new. So that's a really big plus. And then this is your, you just want to see, this is your closet here. Let's go down to basement. This has a full basement. So you can see this is the heater. And we'll have that serviced. And big area. It's got a newer electrical box here. So as you can see, there's a lot of room here. Open floor plan, Cleveland Heights, double car garage, newer floor, almost all new vinyl windows, and a lot more. You have glass block windows here too. Thanks. It's the end of your virtual tour.